Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and network stability, then log in as admin so you can change settings immediately. Once done, gather each person's ID and 1 to 2 clean fingerprints. This minimizes failures. Make sure to select enrollment in the device menu, create or verify the numeric user ID, and assign role or department. You'll hear prompts or see LED feedback. Follow them. This initial step prevents later conflicts and ensures the template captures the fingerprint pattern correctly. Next, you capture and verify the prints. Explain to the user to wash and dry the finger, then place it flat and centered with steady, moderate pressure. Inconsistent pressure blurs templates. Capture a primary and a backup template for each user to increase match probability, and label them with the numeric ID and name. Once saved, immediately test by having the user punch in. This verifies template quality and records. If the verification fails, re-enroll using a different finger or adjust sensor settings. Finally, configure attendance rules, shift times, late thresholds, and sync intervals so the data aligns with payroll. Once configured, push settings, run a manual sync to the server, and review recent logs to confirm accurate timestamps. Train users briefly: how to place the finger, what to do when denied, and whom to contact. If problems appear, first clean the sensor with alcohol wipes, then re-enroll problem users and verify network connectivity. Addressing these 3 fixes resolves most real-world issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.